Hey, Side Hustle Geniuses! Welcome back to Side Hustle Genius. I'm your guide to smart side hustles and automation tips. Today, we're diving into a side hustle that's in high demand, has low startup costs, and can bring in some serious cash. A home cleaning business. Let's explore how you can start your own cleaning service and scale to earn $10,000 a month. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's talk about the scope of this business. Business scope. The home cleaning industry is booming. More and more people are looking for reliable cleaning services, whether they're busy professionals, parents juggling multiple responsibilities, or elderly individuals who need a helping hand. Starting a home cleaning business means you can tap into a vast market, providing services like regular house cleaning, deep cleaning, and even move-in or move-out cleanings. With the right approach, you can build a loyal customer base and scale your business to generate significant income. Business requirements. Let's go over what you'll need to get started. Basic cleaning supplies and tools. You'll need essentials like mops, brooms, vacuum cleaners, microfiber cloths, and various cleaning agents for different surfaces. Transportation. A reliable vehicle to get you and your supplies to and from your clients' homes. Insurance. While not mandatory in all areas, getting insurance can protect you from potential liabilities and also make you more appealing to clients. Training. No formal training is required, but learning proper cleaning techniques and understanding how to use different cleaning products effectively can give you an edge over competitors. Business options. Now, let's discuss the different options you have within the home cleaning business. Standard cleaning. This includes general cleaning tasks like dusting, vacuuming, and mopping. Deep cleaning. More thorough cleaning that covers areas not typically included in standard cleaning, such as under furniture or inside appliances. Move-in, move-out cleaning. Detailed cleaning services for clients moving in or out of a home. Specialized cleaning. You can also specialize in niches like eco-friendly cleaning, where you use green, non-toxic products, or post-construction cleaning for homes that have just been renovated. Business resources. Here are some resources to help you start and grow your home cleaning business. Tools and supplies. Invest in good quality cleaning tools and eco-friendly products if you plan to market yourself as a green cleaning service. Scheduling and invoicing apps. Use apps like Jobber or Housecall Pro to manage appointments, send invoices, and keep track of client information. Client platforms. Websites like Thumbtack, TaskRabbit, and HomeAdvisor can help you find your first clients and build your reputation. These platforms allow you to showcase your services and collect reviews, which can be crucial for growing your business. Estimated timescale. Now, let's talk about the timeline for getting your business up and running. Week 1. Research your local market, determine the type of services you want to offer, and purchase your cleaning supplies. Week 2. Set up your business legally, obtain any necessary licenses or insurance, and create a basic marketing plan. Week 3 to 4. Start advertising your services, either through local ads, social media, or platforms like Thumbtack. Begin booking your first clients. Month 2 to 3. Focus on delivering excellent service to build your reputation and encourage word-of-mouth referrals. Month 4 to 6. Aim to increase your client base by offering promotions or discounts, and consider hiring help if you're getting more clients than you can handle alone. Estimated cost. So, what does it cost to start a home cleaning business? Here's a basic breakdown. Cleaning supplies and tools. $200, $500, depending on the quality and quantity of supplies you buy. Transportation. If you already have a vehicle, you're good to go. Otherwise, you might need to consider the cost of a reliable car or van. Insurance and licensing. Around $100, $500, depending on your location and the coverage you choose. Marketing. An initial investment of $100, $300 can go a long way, especially if you're using social media ads or local flyers. In total, you might be looking at an initial investment of around $500, $1,500, which is quite affordable compared to many other businesses. Pros and cons. Let's weigh the pros and cons of starting a home cleaning business. Pros. High demand for services. Flexible hours, you can choose when and how often you work. Potential for repeat customers, which can provide a steady income stream. Low startup costs, especially if you already have a vehicle and some basic supplies. Cons. Physically demanding work, especially if you're doing deep cleans or large homes. requires building trust with clients, as you'll be entering their personal spaces. Competition can be high in some areas, so you'll need to find ways to stand out. Estimated earnings. Allan. Now, let's talk money. Here's how much you can potentially earn with a home cleaning business. First 1 to 3 months, $1,000, $3,000 per month, as you're just starting out and building your client base. 6 months, for $1,000, $7,000 per month. Once you have a steady stream of clients and possibly a few regular contracts, long-term, $10,000 plus per month is achievable, especially if you expand your services, hire additional staff, or secure long-term contracts with businesses or property managers. And that's how you can start a home cleaning business and make it a $10,000 a month venture. This side hustle is perfect for anyone looking for flexibility, low startup costs, and high earning potential. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Side Hustle Genius for more lucrative side hustle ideas. Until next time, keep hustling smart.